Hurry, rip it. Go, JJ, tear it all up.
Mommy, wait that one again.
Okay.
Daddy.
Okay, for me?
Oh, yeah, okay, Mama.
Okay, sounds good.
I died up there.
Okay. Hurry, open your present. Let's see what you got. There you go. There you go.
Mommy.
You want me to help? Alright, let's see what this is.
I like the Barbie.
Okay, let's see. Alright, open it up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Open.
Okay.
Hurry, JJ, open. Let's see what you got. There. Okay, open. It's already open. Oh, here. Pop it open, Holly. What is it?
Cowboy.
A cowboy hat. Put it on. Are you gonna wear it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let me see. Put it on.
No, you put it on, dude.
It's yours. You're gonna look like Woody.
Not me. You. It don't fit me. It fits you.
It's only for JJ. Grandma Mina got it for JJ.
Little chunty hat, huh?
What else is in there?
There you go.
Let's see. You got a card?
Little chunty, huh?
You want me to help you?
For you?
That's
No,
yours.
they're for you, honey. Yeah, how do you open this one? Okay, Mommy can't do it with one hand.
For you.
Let's see. Put your cowboy hat on. See if it fits.
No.
Okay.
What is it? Oh my gosh. Awesome.
For you.
No, it's for you, honey. You got 30 bucks from Theo Oscar.
Oh.
You get to color too? Oh my goodness, that's awesome. You like it?
Oh me. Well, no, for you.
No, baby, these are for you because it's your birthday
Oh
soon.
yeah, for you.
Yeah.
Well, for you, Mama.
Oh, thank you, baby, but they're for you.
No, for you.
Jake the pirate. Let me see. Look at the camera. Say cheese. All right. What does Jake the pirate say? Jake the pirate says, "Hey, it's your birthday." Wow. Look, JJ. JJ, look. You got more money.
That one?
Yeah.
It's for you. Not for you.
No, baby, it's for you.
Not for you.
Oh, wow. Tell Grandma and Grandpa thank you.
Thank you.
You get to wear a pirate hat?